Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to manage downloads open Office files in browsing sites in Microsoft Edge in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the Microsoft Edge. Here I have pinned in my taskbar and go to the three dot icon option and settings. We will click here. We will get the lots of options here. I will work with the download, so click here. See here, open Office files in the browser. So by default it has on off. So what it has worked. So if this settings is on, Office files, presentation, spreadsheet, documents will open automatically in Microsoft Edge instead of downloading to your device. So when I have been on, see, so I wanna check right now. So how any kind of spreadsheet, so go to this or any file downloads, which file? Spreadsheet. See, let's click here. Here I will get it or not. This is the converting thing. Excel sheet, another file, it will come, taking some time. These things I will download. See, it has come easily. So in this way we can do this work. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.